Hello, guys, and welcome to Lufasi's Nature Park. This park is located right at the heart of Lekki after the Novare Mall, and yeah, you can literally enjoy nature right in Lekki. I'll be taking you guys today and would literally enjoy together and see what my experience was like. When you come in, this is the reception, and that's where you'd be getting your tickets. Like I earlier showed, tickets are 1,500 for adults and I think 1,000 for kids. But little children below the age of 2 don't pay for tickets. Anyway, I didn't pay for my daughter. I'm like, yeah, let's go. At the park, they also have horses. I think these horses take part in like polo competitions and stuff. But I know like there's a side of the park where they keep their horses. I wasn't able to access that, but I found someone that was cleaning one of the horses. And yeah, it's always a sight to behold. When I say that this place is family friendly, it is. There's a playground where your kids can actually just enjoy the day. You can play football, you can just climb on the tree house and just play around, and my daughter always loves it here. I also found this little pond which is right in the middle of nature, and yeah, it was just so cute. There were some ducks just playing around, one in the water, one sunbathing, and yeah, it was so lovely and cute. I loved it. Hi guys, so I'm heading into the forest. Well, is it really a forest? Into, yeah, like the forest, and I want to see what is on the other end. Let's go. Side of the park is called the rescue center because they basically have rescued animals here. They had monkeys, parrots, they had other animals like this one. I'm not sure I know the name, I'm not certain, yeah, but like they had different type of animals that were just rescued from the environs, and yeah, they were kept here, fed and just taken care of. So I made it past the first stop. There are actually monkeys and animals here, and I never knew, and I'd been here before. So I'm going further, and I want to get to the water area. So let's keep going. On my way, I met this group of people. I think it was a musician shooting a music video. Yeah, I love the vibes. Now we're at a crossroad. I don't know whether to go this way or this way. I'm going for this way. This exploration, I can't lie, I'm a bit scared because literally I'm the only one, but I've been meeting people along the way. But yeah, let's keep going. Yes, I was right. I think it's this way because the other way seems to have no, like it seems to have stopped somewhere. So I think I'm on the right track. Let's keep going. We are at the bridge. Thank you. So I've come to Lufasi Park several times, but this is my first time actually making it on the bridge. Like this is my first time making it to the bridge area. I'm so happy, and I think it's even easier because it's dry season. There's almost no water for now anyways, but yeah, and I'm the only one. Courageous me, but let's see how it goes. If you've watched to this point, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Keep watching. So this is the first stop, and I think if you don't want to keep going, no, not really. It's not a long bridge. Anyway, let us see what's on the other side. I want to get to the water. That's what I'm heading for. And I feel like because it's dry season, it's even the easiest time. If it was during the rainy season, there'll be water everywhere. And I guess does this pathway for the rainy season. But I think I can just follow here. Here it says there's a pangolin in that cage. I can't really see it. And I don't want to go too close. Like I said, I'm the only one here. So I'm scared of animals. Normal. So yeah, let's run. This is what the pathway is looking like. I'm hoping I'm on the right track. You see this type of pathways, I will not go there. I go not. I will follow the one that is big and bright. I can't lie, I'm a bit scared. But yeah, let's keep going. We've made it here already. I can see another bridge, so I think I'm a lot closer to the final goal. The bridge has ended again. No. I saw one person. I don't know if that was reassuring, but let's keep going. I said I was not going to follow narrow path, and here I am on a narrow path. Hey, the quest for adventure. Guys, we've made it. Guys, I didn't know myself to be this courageous, but I made it. I would advise if you're coming here, maybe come with someone or in a group. Yeah, so it's cute, but is it really what I thought? Not really, but it's not bad. And I feel like if you're coming to just relax and rest and enjoy the nature, then it's perfect. We're going back into the forest. My guy, one thing about this place is that it's nature, it's beautiful. If you live in the Lekki area and you just feel like everywhere is just concrete jungle, well, we have places like this, and it's just such a great place to come with like family and friends and just to rest and relax and distress from the busy Lagos life. It's really affordable. Like I would have earlier said, ticket entry is 1,500 per adult, and I think for kids from a certain age it's 1,000. I'm not too sure because my daughter is still small, like she's 2 years old, so she didn't pay. She's about to be 2, she's still 1, but yeah, but it's absolutely incredible. Like I like it every time I come here. It's just calming and really nice, and I thought to show you guys what we have down here in Lekki. You can also enjoy nature in Lagos, who would have thought? But yeah, so this is one of those cute little places, a bit of a hidden gem, but I love it.